Okay, guys, welcome back. This second part for blogging is going to focus more on actually creating posts and pages, what they are, what the difference is between a post and a page, and how you should be using them. So, let's create a post. This is the current trends in technology education that I created in the last video. So if you didn't see it, or if you have no idea what this is, please go back and watch the first video. So posts. Clicking on to create a post, you can click here and click on this link here to create a new post. Easier, there's a big orange button. Click on New Posts, and this will open up a new window. So a post is it contains like timely content. It's meant for educational purposes. It's articles, tutorials, discussions, news, entertainment stuff that's time sensitive. It just happened. Every time you put a new post up, it goes above the previous, and they can be attached to RSS feeds. So let's create a post. New in tech ed! Exclamation, exclamation. I have some gibberish text that I'm going to use to fill this in. Okay, this is my post. I'm a very fast typer. Okay, so I can preview this before I post it. I like it. I like how it looks. Okay. Before I do that, I have some post settings. I want to talk about labels. Labels, as you get more into blogging, can be helpful in keeping things organized. So let's say this is new in tech ed, but let's say it's a manufacturing. It has to do with manufacturing. So I could create a label just for manufacturing stuff that I find out or I want to talk about. And click done. I can schedule it. If I don't want it to come up right away, I can click on setting a time and date. I'm just going to have it post right away. And you have a permalink location. Options, I can allow readers to comment, which is a good thing. It's you're supposed to, I feel, in a post, you want to hear other people's opinions. So click done. I like everything the way I looked. And unlike other settings, you have to click save. I'm sorry, other tools. Click publish. And here it is. To see how it looks, once again, there it is. So let's create another post. Okay, we'll call this one also. How about also trending right now. That's not as exciting. Put a period. I don't know. So then you have some other text, bold. You can add images and stuff like that. I'm not going to take the time to do that here. It's pretty self-explanatory. Adding an image, importing an image. Google makes that very easy, especially if you use other Google tools besides this. So I'm going to click labels. Let's create a label. Let's call this a robotics. Schedule. I'll have it open right away. Let's not allow the readers to comment on this one. Maybe this is I just want to post it. Okay, so you see the labels here, and the title of the post. Let's put one more post in here. Let's do you know that the Earth isn't flat? I don't know. Question mark. Okay, add some text. This is a long one. Lots of information here on why the Earth isn't flat. Labels. Let's call this one, I guess I better make it something relative to, how about science news? And save, publish. So there, I have 3 posts. Let's view it in a blog. The layout looks good. Aesthetically speaking, everything looks proportionate and good layout. Okay, so this is posting. This is posting current things that are happening and stuff you want. Sometimes there are things that you want a little more permanent in the website. I'm sorry, in the blog. So that's where pages sort of come in. It's pages are like. Let me go to the pages here. Pages are like static information that it doesn't change from from time to time, from week to week. It could be like an about page describing things about yourself. So let's do one. Let's do a new page. Let's call it about the blogger. And then you can put some information about you. That's very good information there. And maybe a picture or something else. You can edit that using the editing tools. I'm not going to go into that. You can preview it, and it's on a separate page. You notice that the posts are not here. It's not listed here, so I'll show you how to do that in a minute here. So let's save and publish. Now, on my blog, I have pages, but it still only shows home. So if I go into edit this gadget, I can add this in, save, and now that pops up for me. So, okay. So let's go back. Let's add another page. Let's put in, you could also have another good one would be comment policy. You have students commenting on posts and stuff. It'd be good to have this, I think. And here's some intelligent data for the students to read about posts and what you should be or should not be doing. Click page options. Maybe I don't want to allow readers to comment or change this. I don't want people touching this and messing with what I have here. This is just for public knowledge. I can click save and publish, and that. Let's view the blog now. Once again, I have to go in and I have to add that in. Click save, and here we go. So you can go into comment policy. You can see my that I have my comment policy here. Okay, so we have pages, posts. That's pretty much everything I think you need to get started with your first blog. It's a matter of tinkering around and trying different things. So I hope you'd enjoy this. I hope that you got something out of this, and good luck and have fun blogging. See you next time.